Hello again, everybody. Okay, here's another pretty cool trick that I saw on Johnny Magic 55's channel in French. So if you'd like to see this in French, check out Johnny Magic 55. For this trick, like I said, it's a very simple and cool effect. What we're going to do is we're going to tell the spectator we're going to cut the cards, and they can cut the cards wherever they like. So there are 4 piles. And then what we're going to do is we're going to turn over the cards on the top of each pile, and they're going to see that they have come to 4 completely random cards. So we're explaining the trick to them, and now we're going to go ahead and start. So we're going to tell the spectator, okay, so we're going to take the cards and we're going to ask you to cut the cards into half. So take each pile, cut them in half. They cut the cards wherever they like. And now we say, okay, you cut the cards wherever you wanted, and you now have cut the cards to the 4 aces. Okay, this is a pretty cool illusion. Let me show you how this works. What you're going to do is you're going to start the trick by taking the 4 aces, place them on top, and then take a random card and place the random card on top of the 4 aces. So you've got a random card on top of the 4 aces. You're going to take half the cards, cut them, and then cut each half in half, just like that. And then you're going to tell, now you have your card right here with the 4 aces underneath it. Then what you're going to do is, as you turn the cards over, you're going to be explaining to the spectator this is the way it works. You're going to cross your hands, and you're going to turn over the cards just like that, because this is how you're going to set it up for later on. Then what you do is you pull out, take these 4 cards, say, okay, now let's begin. So you take the cards and you get the 4 aces right to the top of the deck. So there are the 4 aces right on top. So now what you do is you cut the cards in half, and then you quickly take 2 of the aces and move them right over there. So now you've got 2 aces, one on top of each, 2 on top of each of the piles, just like that. So now what you do is you have the spectator cut these cards wherever they like, just like that, so there are 4 separate piles. So now you actually have 2 aces here and 2 aces here. But what you're going to do now is when you cross your hands, you're going to cross your hands and take the top card and move this card right over here. This card's going to go right here, and this card's going to go right here. So this is the illusion. You're going to say, okay, and here's where you cut the cards. You're going to cross your hands, and you're going to go, there's 2 aces and 4 aces. Very simple, and it looks like you've actually taken the top card on 4 piles. So again, you've got 2 aces here, 2 aces here, and when they're sitting just like that, if you cross your hands and you turn over this card and move it here, and this card and move it here, with the hands crossed, you say, okay, and here are the 4 cards, and you turn them over just like that, and it looks like you've turned over the top card of each one of the piles, and people will be amazed. Maybe. That's it. See you next time.